What's up everybody, Kevin here, and we are back with another C# tutorial. In this video we are going to create while loop. Let's start it. Now for start we write console.read key, and then we will continue the rest of it. Okay, the while loop, as we can see from its name, we have to write while keyword and two parentheses and one block. One block. In these two parentheses we have to write our condition, but before that we have to assign our index. Let's just write a for loop to see what we need in our while loop. Okay, in for loop, the first section we have to assign our index, like int I equals with 0, our starting point, and our condition comes here, I less than 10, and this is our counter, I++. In for loop we can write everything just in these two parentheses, but in while loop, before writing loop we have to assign our index, like int j equals 0, and in this parentheses we have to write our condition like j, if j less than 10. It was better to say while j less than 10. Console dot write line. Oh, I made a mistake. Console dot write line j and we have to assign our counter, because if we don't assign that, I explained that in the last video, we will create an infinite loop if we don't assign our counter. J++. Oh, yeah, it is right. And we don't need for loop here. Let's start it to see what we did. And the program ran successfully. Here, this is not an infinite loop, and this is worked completely fine. Are doing exactly the same thing. I just want to write a for loop just to show you both of them are doing the same thing here. and I wrote that to show you guys both of them are the same and doing the same thing here. This is the first loop from 0 to 9. This is the second loop from 0 to 9. Exactly what we wrote here. I will definitely do some better example for while or even for or even do while loops in future. But now I just want to finish the loop lesson, and that's for all of it. Really thank you guys for watching this video and hope you find that helpful and you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Hope you have an awesome day and peace out.